Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to disable showing trending searches and search history in Google search website. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here you can use any web browser, but the tricks will remain the same. So here in this video tricks I'll be gonna use Microsoft Edge. So if you're using a Google Chrome or Firefox or Opera, whatever web browser it may be, the tricks will remain the same. So just open your respective web browser and just go to the google.com. So once you open the google.com official website, so you can see below, just below you can see your trending searches. So it is turned on by default, right? So if you find irritating, then you can disable this option and even say something. Suppose if I search something, so the history records also stays there, so it will be showing the search history, whatever you have been searching in the Google search website. So it will display the search results also. So you can see here earlier I have used it and searched for computer and Apple like that term, then it will gonna display it. So by default this all are turned on, so you can disable it. So for this you can see here on the left top corner 3 horizontal lines, right? Just tap on it and now you can see here a option settings. Just tap on it. Now under this settings option, on the second list you can see a search history. So you can see here by default it is being selected in the save searches. That means whenever you search anything, it will save the search results and show you once you search any new searches also. So you can just turn on this don't save searches, right, to disable the search history. Now how to disable the trending searches? So for this just scroll down below and you can see here option autocomplete with trending searches, right? So by default show popular searches is being turned on, so just select the don't show popular searches. So once you are done with this settings, you can see below save. Just click on save, click on OK, wait for a few seconds. Now whenever you tap on the search box, now you can see here you won't see any search results. And even if you open the google.com, so let us try to reopen this google.com. Let me refresh. So even you can see here there will be no trending searches. So this is how you can disable showing trending searches and search history in Google search website very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks how to disable showing trending searches and search history in Google search websites, then you can try this video tutorial. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.